Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerard and today I've got my big guns out. It's going to be a very windy day and I've got some heavy 40 grade H&N Slugs to sling. Let's go out there and let's get this party started. First one down for the morning and it's a beautiful shot.
Oh, I love that sound.
Ooh, juicy. Telephone book. Now there's one thing that you guys must know. I do not like to sit on one place and shoot from one spot the whole day. But today is a little bit different and I'm gonna just quickly show and let you hear why. So if we come to this place here, then you can really hear wind is howling. It's actually impossible to shoot today in this wind conditions. Over here, we're sitting behind a nice big sheltered stack of hay bales that keeps us out of the wind. Plus I've got a gun set up with some good ammo that can handle this wind conditions as well, and at least I can show you guys some good footage as well in the same breath. What a lovely shot, 195 yards. Ouch! What a beautiful shot, 224 yards.
That's another one down.
So a friend of mine sent me a couple of awesome single loaders to try out in my gun today. I do prefer the high capacity side shot magazines. They work just absolutely fine for me. But there is some benefits to the single loading tray. You can now load bigger and longer slugs in them. I do know the guys that's doing some bench shooting like to shoot with a single loading tray. If you want to save up on some ammo, use a single loading tray because you can't shoot as fast with this as what you shoot with a high capacity magazine. Oh, smoked that one. Very dead. Love that shot.
Beautiful shot. Stay down.
Gun setup for today is the Mighty FX Impact M3, fitted with the latest 800mm barrel. Inside this barrel I've got a superior heavy slug liner with a twist rate of 1 in 14. The 1 in 14 twist rate do stabilize the heavier slugs a little bit better. And talking about slugs, I'm shooting the 40 grain H&N Slugs today at 960 feet per second, which is very accurate and do punch very hard.
Oh, beautiful, like a brick, straight down.
Anchored that one.
Oh, that was a nice close one.
Got the Element Nexus scope, which is always top notch with awesome glass. A Donny FL Sumo silencer, which is a perfect fit for this gun setup. I'm running a 700cc cylinder today. It is a 300 bar full Saber Tactical Arca Rail, awesome Accutech bipod. Got this Form Rifle Stocks grip, which is a red laminate, which is beautiful. I absolutely love it. At the back, I've got a Saber Tactical buttstock, fully adjustable, which you can use on the latest accessories from Saber Tactical. And I'm using a single loading tray from a friend of mine, which is working awesome at the moment.
Oh, beautiful shot. You could see that pigeon was struggling against this wind today.
Too easy.
Just love that sound.
I want to show you this awesome Saber Tactical tank bag again. I really like it. It's got a nice little handle. You can carry it around to anywhere you want easily. If you're walking a long distance, you've got a sling to put it over your shoulder with as well. And it just makes life easy, especially on hard days like this when you're doing pest control on farms. Very dead. Ooh, solid. Down. Well, unfortunately that's it for this week's episode. I really enjoyed myself today, even though it was really windy. I want to ask you guys, if you like this video, smash that like button down below. And for all the new guys watching, if you want to see more of my channel, remember to stay subscribed. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Cheers.